Hey everyone, it's Andrew. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing and review of the Tramontina 4-inch paring knives. I recently purchased a pair of these from Walmart for about $3 when I was in the store. Really the reason why I got them was because I regularly use paring knives, but I only had one or two knives at home, and so I picked up these kind of randomly. And so what we'll do in this video is I'll show you the packaging, the general details of each knife, and then what I'll do is open them, show them up close, and then at the end of the video we'll kind of cut an apple just to give you a general sense of how they perform with regular routine kind of use. Okay, so this is the Tramontina Professional 4-inch paring knife. As far as details on the actual container or packaging, it says it's dishwasher safe, polypropylene handle, and made in Brazil. It says the blade is 4 inches long. Okay, on the back here it says that it's stainless steel blade and handle are permanently bonded without gaps or seams, and then that it's a slip resistant handle. Just so I didn't cut myself while doing this on camera, I'll take out the knife now. So this is what it looks like up close in detail. So it says stainless steel on the actual blade here, has the Tramontina label, and says that it's made in Brazil. As you can tell, the blade is kind of typical for a knife blade. It is definitely sharp. Even when I'm touching it, you can feel it's definitely sharp and kind of what you would need for this type of blade. And then the handle itself is fully like a molded plastic. So as you can tell, there's no seams, gaps, or anything like that to the actual handle. So it is a pretty nice blade for $3. Definitely would kind of serve the purposes of being a paring knife. Now what we'll do is just cut an apple and kind of do it safely on camera. Last thing I need is to cut myself while doing this, but basically we'll just see how well it performs. So it'd be really funny if I cut myself doing this. So in general, it's kind of suits the needs for a paring knife. I'll say that just based on doing this on camera, while doing this, I'll say that the blade being 4 inches long is a little bit too long for a paring knife. I'd honestly prefer a 3-inch blade, because as you can tell the way I'm handling this, there's an extra like gap here or extra blade here that is kind of unnecessary. So if you shorten this up 1 inch, it'd probably be more useful. Prior to this video, I did look online to see if they offer this on Amazon or something like that, and the 4-inch model is not actually online on Amazon. It's only available through Walmart from what I can tell, or on the Tramontina website. So the 4-inch model you can only really get through Walmart. However, Tramontina does offer a 3-inch model. So if you're interested in potentially getting a paring knife, I'd probably recommend the 3-inch model that you can get through Amazon. I'll leave a link below for that actual model. But this one just seems like the blade's a little bit too long for a paring knife for what you kind of need as far as cutting an apple. It might be more useful for other activities or things you're doing in the kitchen, but a 4-inch knife is just a little bit too long based on this immediate quick like first impression. So that's all I have for this video. So that's the Tramontina 4-inch paring knife you can get from Walmart for about $3 each. It will serve the purpose of a knife and kind of cut accordingly, but you do have to be a little bit more careful because the blade's a little bit longer than traditional paring knives. So if you have questions, comments, anything like that, just post them below. If you like this video, please hit the like button now, and as always, if you want to follow my content, you can definitely hit the subscribe button and follow my content there. So thanks for watching and have a great day.